On this video right now I'm going to show you how you can back up your data on Google Drive. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, or you can click here on this search setting. You can search for the backup. Okay, or you can just click on and scroll down to accounts and backup. Here's your accounts and backup. Just click on accounts and backup. When you click on accounts and backup, here you can see the backup data, and here also backup data. But the first option, backup data, is on the Samsung Cloud, and second option is the for the Google Drive. Okay, so if you want to backup your data on Google Drive, then you have to click on backup, second option. After that, here is the turn on now. Okay, just click on turn on now, then your Google will be backup. Okay, I mean your data will be backup on Google Drives. Okay, this is how you can drive. Okay friends, I mean backup. Okay, and if you don't want to backup, then here's the note now, and you can check the terms and condition here. It says use your Google account storage to backup. You can use your Google account to backup your storage, photos and videos stored in Google Photos for easy organization and sharing, apps and app data, contacts, SMS and MMS messages, and calls history. Okay, device setting. If you want more detail, then just click on more detail. And here's the backup automatically. You can turn on this backup automatically also. And here's the store your data securely, and this is a manage backup easily. Okay, you can manage your backup easily. Okay friends, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.